Now Lochein starts something new. Now starts the final Geul, the resurrection, which refers to the remnants of the Aseres HaShvatim and to the remnants of the entire Jewish people. Lochein, therefore, it's like a shvur, introduces a new chapter. Hine, behold, holds a surprise. Comes a time, Anochi mefatel, I shall subdue the remnant, v'fatel. V'holaftil hamidbar. I shall make her walk into the desert. I shall take her into the desert. V'dibarti al libo, they shall talk to her heart. What does that mean? So in the Besikta says that this means that before Bias HaMashiach, the leftovers of K'hal Yisrael will again go into the Midbar. And like our forefathers wished to be in the Midbar, not for 40 years, but for a short while, and there will be that great moment of Kibbutz Golios and Midbar. And in the Midbar there will be then this great Teshuvah, of which the Tzovim, Vayelech, has been told the Teshuvah, and then comes the Geul. However, some of the Mefarshim explain that this means the so-called Midbar for Ami. Midbar Ami means the Golus is called a Midbar of the nations. I take her into the Golus, means take her through from one nation to another. Whenever we came to one nation, we were Mefatir, was like a seduction. Why did Jews come to Spain? Because they thought this is where they find tranquility coming from northern Africa. And then they were, since life would get miserable in Spain, then they Mefatir, take you furthermore into the Midbar Army, they get to France, and from there to Germany, from Germany to Poland. How did they come to America? When they heard, hoping America won't turn into what Chas v'Shalom, all the other bogus lands did. But it was always Mefatir as seducer, the whole Golas wanderings for the Midbar Army from one nation to the other is always a Mefatir, a seduction. You always feel there, you find peace and safety and so forth, and then you again find yourself in the Midbar.